Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. So let's go look at the next question. Do I need to scrub my internet accounts before applying for disability benefits? You remember that whole situation, the Kavanaugh situation, where they brought her up and her entire online profile as a professor was scrubbed. They found one picture of her on the entire interwebs for the majority of the introduction of that entire claim. So, yes. And here's why. You may not realize, but you may have had a gig somewhere which was not a paying gig to the IRS, where you were, cutting, hedging, weed whacking, whatever. And all of a sudden they're using that information to show that you were not impaired during that time because you were able to do this function. You might be riding on a horse. You might be in a church building laughing with a group of people. These are all things that they could use potentially against you from your online profile that could hurt you to the point where it denies you your disability benefits. So, should you scrub your online presence? Yes. Are you going to do it as well as the professional job that was done in the Kavanaugh situation? Because remember, attorneys look at that situation very differently than the emotional people out in the world that believe this, right? We're all about facts, objective, necessary facts. And the problem is that people, for some reason, like tears more than facts. I guess that's why they like movies more. I like movies, but, So the problem is that you run into, if you don't scrub it, you're basically placing yourself as a trial tactic behind the 8 ball, because now they can pull up whatever information they want about you. And don't think for 1 second that the clerks of the judges don't do a quick name search to see what just pops up. Doesn't necessarily mean they're doing it officially as part of a requested search. Sometimes they just do it because somebody looks familiar, or maybe they're just curious, and they'll just do a quick phone search. It happens, and people get denied. So don't think that you are immune from that, okay? My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, in Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Have an absolutely wonderful day. I will catch you a little bit later. If you want the most up-to-date information or a video about a particular topic, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call, and we will go from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.